Price elasticity of supply, Lecture 5, Part 2. The price elasticity of supply measures how much quantity supplied responds to price. This is so how much do sellers respond to changes in price? Price elasticity of supply is found by taking the percentage change in quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in price. This will in fact always generate a positive outcome because according to the law of supply, right, the supply curve is upward sloping. That means changes in price are moving the same direction as changes in quantity. So if prices rise by 8%, quantity demanded will also rise. So in this case, if the percentage change in price is 8%, and the percentage change in quantity is 16%, the price elasticity of supply is 2. Okay, so basically what does that mean? For every 1% change in price, there is a corresponding 2% change in quantity. So the elasticity of supply, the slope of the supply curve is closely related to price elasticity of supply. And again, the flatter the curve, the bigger the elasticity, the steeper the curve, the smaller the elasticity. We have 5 different classifications. Perfectly inelastic, which basically says that sellers do not respond to changes in price, and we'll define this. Inelastic, again, this will be a price elasticity of supply that is less than 1. Unit elastic, price elasticity of supply is equal to 1. Elastic, price elasticity of supply is greater than 1, and perfectly elastic, price elasticity of supply is equal to infinity. Just one example here with the perfectly inelastic. When is supply perfectly inelastic? That is a situation when the seller by no means can increase the number of units available for sale no matter what they do in the short run. You can think of this example as something like, I don't know, Leonardo da Vinci painting. For example, the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa has a supply that is perfectly inelastic. There's only 1 unit in existence. And therefore, if you think about it, that explains the fact that the price is in fact undeterminable or infinite. So what are the determinants of the supply elasticity? It is quite simply time. The more easily sellers can change the quantity they produce, the greater the price elasticity of supply. Example, supply of beachfront property is harder to vary and thus less elastic than the supply of new cars. For many goods, price elasticity of supply is greater in the long run and the short run because firms can build new factories or new firms and may be able to enter the market.